once you are aware about all the basic features of data warehouse, data lakehouse, and then your Power BI, you should be aware about how to deploy and maintain the services. Now, these topics involve all those settings, admin privilege, how to setting up the workspace, how to give roles and permission to the user, how to create groups. Now, these also include the schedule refresh. So, once we create the pipeline, we need to keep on refresh the data. It can be incremental or full load, or streaming refresh. So those kind of option you should be aware how to create pipeline, how to schedule pipeline, how to troubleshoot refresh failure. So there could be situation where you need to create a notification, email notification once the job fails or refresh fails, and how you can troubleshoot to find which query failed, or which data source failed. So something like that, you should be aware about the deployment part as well as the troubleshooting part. And of course the admin option also include the security, like row level security in Power BI as well as in the data warehouse. So please go through all the securities option, where it is a row level security or column level security, and then the data refresh part, the gateway configuration part, very important, like VPN, creating a Azure VPN to connect to your legacy system or your corporate firewall, how you can set up the connection or create access for the user. So those things you should be fully aware. So this conclude the deployment and maintenance part. And one more thing to add, the CI/CD part also will be added here. So there could be some question how to set up the CI/CD pipeline for Fabric. So that also you need to be aware of. So this conclude the topic 4, and now let's move to the next topic.